Now, let's find the missing parts of the triangle. Round to the nearest tenth when necessary, or to the nearest minute as appropriate. We have a angle C is 105.8 degrees. Side A is 4.7 kilometers. Side B is 8.3 kilometers. Consider the law of sine. You have A 4.7, you have a B 8.3, and you have an angle 105.8. So any combination like this one, or this one with this one, is not going to work to find out this value C or this angle B or this angle A. Okay? Because those three values are in the separate places. If you know this angle was here, B was given, then we combine these two together, we may find the sine A and the angle A. So this is from the algebra perspective. We cannot apply law of sine. Now, actual law of cosine applies. Okay, so you have an angle C is in between side A and side B. So basically, you can apply this formula to find out side C squared first. A squared plus B squared, that's given, minus 2 times A times B, AB, times cosine angle C. So we do not really need a picture, okay? And then we plug in the value A 4.7 squared plus B 8.3, then squared minus 2 times 4.7 times 8.3, and then times cosine 105.8. 105.8. Okay. Now we plug in those values into our calculator. This is the answer we got. And then we choose the square root. We shall have the answer right here. If you have the calculator, let's may work on that. Turn on the calculator, clean the screen. You have a 4.7 squared plus 8.3 squared. No, here we do delete squared, this one. And then minus 2 times 4.7, and then times 8.3, 4.7 squared plus 8.3 squared minus 2 times 4.7 times 8.3, and then you may type cosine without multiplication. They know it's going to be multiplication. Of course, in the computer you have to type multiplication, but here for the TI-84 you do not have to. You put 105.8. Again, here it has to be in degree mode. Okay, If it were not, we would be in trouble. So you have a 112.22 something. First one here. Choose the square root. You may do this one means exponent. If you wanted to square this number, you put 2 here. But here, you are doing square root, so you may do what? 1 divided by 2. Okay? You may just put 0.5 here. But here, we did 1/2, that's square root. Okay? So that's 10.593 something. All right. So we have a C here. And then we have a C sine 105.8. B 8.3. We can find out sine B by cross multiplication. B sine C divided by C. 8.3 times sine 105.8 divided by C. We just found it right here. So we then have the value here. Here is the detail. Again, you always want to store these too many digits into a memory, and then you recall it. We have 8.3 times here, 8.3 times sine 105.8 divided 8.3. So I need to go back. Here has to be 3. 8.3. And then sine 105.8 divided by 10.5 something. So here I will do recall, second recall, and it was in memory A. Okay, that's 10.593 something. So we are ready to hit enter. We have a 0.75389. That's sine B. Again, we want to store this one in memory B. So hit enter goes to the memory B. And then we do sine inverse this value. We will do sine inverse, and it was in memory B. We'll recall that, and then we put this one and hit enter, close bracket. So we have a 48.9, 48.9287 something. That's angle B. We have an angle B comes out. We know angle C. So A would be 180 minus angle B and angle C. So 180 minus angle A, 105.8, and angle B, 48.9. We get 25.3. Okay, so we may do that. 180 minus 105.8 subtract 48.9. Hit enter. We are at 25.3. Which one would be the closed answer? C is 10.6. This might be this one. And then A, 25.2, because of the rounding error. B is 49. You can round it up. 49 degrees. So we should choose this closed one. Okay, I'll see you next time.